Easy Club has come at us with what do we think of Nordcraft? Now, Nordcraft wasn't
What
that the
is
rebrand?
Nordcraft?
Wasn't that the rebranded name of Toddle? And if so, just search Toddle on my computer, my channel, and you'll find a bunch of videos because I actually really liked it. I think we spoke about it on this show, did we? It was a node. It's a node-based. It has a node-based JavaScript editor. Personally, I really liked Toddle, and I was really impressed with. Oh, sorry, Nordcraft. I was really impressed with Nordcraft. Really clean, really nice. But it's really just again just for building apps, and the node-based JavaScript writer is really quite fun and nice to use when you don't know how
I
to write
see.
JavaScript. But yeah, it's fine if you want to build apps. I wouldn't. It's a different experience to building in other areas. So yeah, it's all right. Gets a thumbs up from me. I rated it quite highly, but I've gone deeper on my channel. So go just search Toddle on my channel. I should probably update those names, shouldn't I? Really.
Cool website, yeah.
I think they
Nordcraft.
rebranded, and I was chatting to their founder. And what's also nice is you can build, like, this is a web component. So you could build this and then kind of host it on Nordcraft, but then import this into your Framer website or your Webflow website. So it's nice to be able to build little, I mean, with code components, you would argue why, because you can now do this stuff natively in Webflow and then even in Framer, but it's still
Framer.
nice. Someone might prefer the interface in it. And again, because of the node-based JavaScript stuff, I wonder if they've got it on here somewhere.
They do show it if you scroll down there. Is
This
that
one
not?
here. Yes, yeah, here it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when key down, if it's this one, then do this. If it's not that letter, not the letter N, do this. It's node-based stuff. So
Yeah.
it's cool. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.